quality of soil determines in many ways the nutrient uptake we have. We've found over probably the last 30 to 40 years, you've got to eat probably 6 or 8 as many times more carrots or tomatoes these days to get the same amount of nutrient from it. We've lost that nutrient density in our foods because we've killed off the biological diversity in our soils. It takes between 60 to 90 minerals, nutrients and trace elements to grow a plant. We take those things away from the soil and we replace them with nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and then anytime we get a reaction against that sort of monocultural sort of system that we're trying to grow plants in, when we do get a disease or something among plants, then we try to blast it out of existence with herbicides and pesticides. And so we're doing the exact opposite of what nature's trying to do. Nature's trying to kill off the plants that we've made sick by putting horrible things into the soil. And we take it in the opposite tack by trying to kill off the things that are trying to kill the plants off, because the plants with disease are plants that nature's trying to get rid of. We create that circumstance and then we make it worse by following it up with herbicides and pesticides. What we should be doing is actually re-enlivening our soils by lifting and building the biological levels in the soils. And there's lots of really common sense, simple ways you can do that with multiplicity of plants, having plants with different root systems and plants with different leaf structures that pull nutrients up from different levels and that pull nutrients in from the air. And we really have very little understanding of that. I remember an old New Zealand farmer saying to me one time, that tree over there, 95% that came from the air. I only look after 5% in the ground. I bugger it up every time. And it's quite true. We do bugger it up every time. A huge amount of that density, that microbial density that we require either in soils or in the air, we're knocking about all the time. And we really need, as part of this concept of waste that we have, this negative effects, eliminating the negative effects in nature just has got to stop.